Off-page SEO focuses on building authority through strategic backlinks. These links act as votes of confidence, enhancing a site's credibility in search engines. Effective link building involves acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites, which significantly boosts search rankings. Understanding link equity and its impact is crucial for optimizing your SEO strategy. Backlinks act as votes of confidence in Google's algorithm, enhancing site authority through link equity. One high-authority link can outweigh numerous low-quality ones. Identifying valuable link opportunities is crucial. Distinguish between do-follow and no-follow links for strategic search engine optimization impact. Employ advanced tactics like guest posting, broken link building, and digital public relations to strengthen your backlink profile. Off-page search engine optimization involves optimizing external factors to boost search engine rankings. Unlike on-page search engine optimization, which focuses on internal elements, off-page search engine optimization builds site authority through external signals. Link building is crucial, as backlinks act as endorsements, indicating to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy, deserving higher search result rankings. Link building has evolved significantly. Initially, any link boosted rankings, leading to link farms. From 2004, black hat techniques thrived until Google's Penguin update in 2012 penalized manipulative links. Today, quality and context are crucial, with sophisticated algorithms assessing link relevance and natural patterns, emphasizing earned media's importance. Google's PageRank algorithm treats hyperlinks as votes of confidence, revolutionizing web page evaluation. Not all links are equal. A link from an authoritative source like Harvard University holds more weight than one from a new blog. Search engines assess link value based on authority, relevance, trustworthiness, and context. Search engines evaluate link equity by considering domain authority, which reflects a domain's age, backlink profile, and content quality. Page authority focuses on the credibility of the specific page linking to you. Topical relevance ensures the linking site's content aligns with your industry. Link context, including surrounding text and anchor choice, further influences a link's value. Link equity, or link juice, is like currency flowing through the web. An authoritative page linking to your site transfers ranking power. The transfer depends on the linking page's authority, the number of other links, and whether the link is do-follow or no-follow. Fewer outbound links mean more value per link, emphasizing the importance of strategic link building. A single backlink from a high-authority site like Forbes offers more ranking power than hundreds of spammy directory links. Quality links are trusted by Google, editorially earned, and contextually relevant. In contrast, spammy links can trigger penalties, harming your search visibility. Prioritize quality over quantity for sustainable search engine optimization success. High-quality backlinks are editorially placed, reflecting genuine value. They are contextually relevant, linking from sites within your industry. These sites boast high domain authority, ensuring credibility. Natural anchor text avoids over-optimization, and active traffic indicates real user engagement, enhancing both search engine optimization and referral traffic benefits. Low-quality links can harm your search engine optimization. Irrelevant content links, like a pet site linking to enterprise software, seem manipulative. Pages with excessive outbound links often indicate link selling. Poor site quality, marked by thin content and spammy design, lacks editorial standards. Sudden link velocity, gaining many backlinks quickly, appears unnatural and risky. A single link from a high-authority news site can boost rankings by 23 positions, showcasing the power of quality over quantity. In contrast, 100 directory links might only improve rankings by 2 positions. Links from link farms can even harm rankings, emphasizing the importance of strategic link building. Link attributes, do follow and no follow, dictate how search engines process link equity. Do follow links transfer authority, directly impacting rankings. No follow links, marked with real pi no follow, don't pass equity but offer value via referral traffic, brand visibility, and a diverse backlink profile. Understanding these attributes is crucial for strategic link building. No-follow links have evolved significantly. Initially, they were ignored by Google for rankings. In March 2020, Google began treating them as hints, potentially counting some. Today, context matters. Authoritative no-follow links can pass value. This evolution highlights the importance of not dismissing no-follow links, as they enhance brand awareness and drive traffic. Understanding additional link attributes is crucial. The Real Sponsored tag identifies paid links, essential for compliance with Google's guidelines. Real UGC marks user-generated content links, like comments or forums. Lastly, Real External indicates links to external domains, often used for organization or JavaScript purposes. These attributes help maintain a transparent and effective link profile. A natural backlink profile blends do-follow and no-follow links. Solely having do-follow links may seem manipulative to search engines. Healthy sites often have 60-80% do-follow and 20-40% no-follow links. Focus on organic growth with diverse sources, varied anchor text, and genuine editorial interest to maintain a balanced link profile. Guest posting is a strategic approach to earn authoritative backlinks by contributing valuable content to industry websites. Focus on educating, inspiring, or solving problems for the host site's audience. Include one contextually relevant link to your site, avoiding excessive self-promotion. This ensures a mutually beneficial relationship and enhances your online presence. Identify target sites by researching authoritative blogs in your niche. Use search operators like your keyword. Plus, write for us. Study each site's editorial guidelines and popular articles. Craft personalized pitches referencing recent content. Create exceptional content with original research and unique insights. Promote published articles on social channels to drive traffic and build relationships. Broken link building transforms website issues into link opportunities by identifying broken external links on relevant sites. Create content to replace the dead resource and suggest it as an alternative. This strategy is mutually beneficial, enhancing user experience while providing a valuable solution. Use tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to identify opportunities efficiently. Identify broken links using search engine optimization tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush on high-authority sites. Develop superior content that matches or exceeds the original. Reach out to site owners, highlighting the broken link and offering your content as a replacement. Prioritize resource pages and educational content, as they often have external linking intent, increasing outreach success. Digital public relations merges traditional public relations with link-building goals, aiming for media coverage that includes backlinks. This involves crafting newsworthy content, engaging with journalists, conducting original research, or positioning executives as experts. High-quality links from outlets like Forbes or TechCrunch boost authority, referral traffic, and brand credibility, surpassing basic search engine optimization metrics. Conducting original research and analyzing datasets can reveal newsworthy trends, attracting journalists seeking unique data for their articles. Platforms like Help a Reporter Out allow experts to respond to journalist queries, earning links from major publications. Additionally, timely commentary on trending news and creating shareable visual assets like infographics can position your brand as a valuable resource, naturally earning backlinks. Brian Dean's skyscraper technique revolutionized link building by enhancing existing content. He identified popular content, created superior versions, and reached out to sites linking to the original. In one campaign, he secured links from 17 high-authority domains, proving the effectiveness of quality content and strategic outreach in earning valuable backlinks. Ahrefs excels in backlink analysis with its Site Explorer and Content Explorer, ideal for finding link opportunities. SEMrush offers a comprehensive SEO platform with tools for outreach management and backlink audits. BuzzStream specializes in managing outreach campaigns and relationships, integrating seamlessly with prospecting tools. Each tool provides unique features to enhance your link building strategy. Prioritize quality by targeting authoritative sites for impactful links. Diversify tactics with guest posting, broken link building, and digital public relations for a resilient backlink profile. Create linkable assets like original research and interactive tools. Build genuine relationships with editors and influencers. Regularly audit your backlinks to maintain quality and focus on long-term, sustainable strategies. Begin by auditing your backlink profile with tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Analyze competitors to uncover missed opportunities. Develop a systematic outreach plan, starting with guest posting to build relationships. Expand into broken link building and digital public relations. Consistent effort over time cultivates an authoritative link profile, enhancing organic visibility and business growth.